Welcome to Home Squad Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you how we cleaned our above ground pool and move it from looking like this to this. So the plan is to first remove the leaves and then the water. And to make this more convenient, what I have done is actually place garbage bags around the pool so that once I scoop the leaves up, I'm able to just put the leaves in the bag and I don't have to walk too far. At this point, I was almost finished. I felt very encouraged because I could see an end to the whole scooping of the leaf. I wanted to see the base of the pool to see how badly it was stained. I wanted to pump out the water, so I got my pump prepared and put it in the pool. Also guys, you can find links to all the items used in this video in the description. Okay, at this point I got most of the water out. I had to hold the base and angle it so that the water gets right under the pump. I did notice that I wasn't able to get all of the water out, so I had to break down one side of the pool, as you are seeing now. And I held the base of the pool at an angle and I just pulled it until the water was released out of the pool. I swept up all of the remaining debris in the pool, and that was the end of day one. Now for day two, we're gonna be disinfecting and cleaning the inside thoroughly. The chemicals we're gonna be using is pine sol and bleach. My wife came into the picture here and she scrubbed the floor. At this point we're just trying to get off as much stain from the base of the pool, as well as during this phase we would actually be cleaning the walls of the pool as well. Guys, this took a very long time, but it was really satisfying to see it clean up. Here you go, we still had that side. We clean that up and now we're actually, leveling the base so that we can start filling up the pool with water. Here you see we are still pushing the base out while we fill the pool. At this point it was like a quarter way in the pool, and notice the base is not that stained. And here it is complete. Smash that like button if you found this video to be helpful. If you'd like to see more videos like this, then hit that subscribe button. Peace.